It's September 2024, and you know what that means. It's time for a fresh, fat stack of cash. This month's is $2,058.33, with the best bank account and credit card bonuses. We're going to be leveraging our paycheck, our spending, and our savings to take as much money as possible from the bank. But before we get started, if you're new here or tuning in, hello there, beautiful person. This is Nathaniel with the Fat Stacks Academy, where it's our goal to help every American worker make an extra $5,000 to $15,000 every single year through financial optimization and the best bank account and credit card bonuses. So if you're ever making some fat stacks, hit that like button and let's get stacking. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. The information in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Some of the links in the description have affiliates that can make me some money. So if you're considering any of the bank account or credit card offers listed in this or any other of my videos, I want you to do two things. The first is to do your own research and make sure you're getting the highest offer possible, whether or not it's mine. I do try my best to put the best one I can find in the description, even if it doesn't benefit me at all. But I am a random person on the internet, and it's always good to do your due diligence. It's just a good habit to have. The second is to think of the children, specifically my child and my family, because when you do use the links in the description and it is the highest offer, it does help me support the channel, feed my kid, and live a slightly better life, and I will likely smile on the inside. So if you choose to use my link, thank you in advance. With all that out of the way, let's get stacking and start with our paycheck. Right now, Farmers Insurance Credit Union has a $250 direct deposit bonus, and we will get into the terms and eligibility now. The requirements for this is you need to open one of their new high yield checking accounts with the promo code listed on screen or on the screen whenever you click the link. Open with a deposit of $20 and direct deposit $1,000 per month for 3 months for a $100 bonus, or $5,000 per month for 3 months for a $250 bonus. The terms say the bonus should post on the 20th day of the following month of meeting the requirements. For eligibility, this is a regional credit union, but it is nationwide if you have an American Consumer Council membership. It's $8 usually. A lot of times the credit union will just pay for it for you, so check that out upon application. And you can't currently be a member of this credit union to receive the bonus. There are no fees on this account and no early closure rules, so if you don't like the account, once you get the bonus, feel free to take your money out and close it. It's actually an interesting high yield checking account and worth kind of checking out. Another really cool thing I noticed on application is you can fund your account with a credit card up to $1,000. If you've watched me for a while now, you know I love funding these credit unions with the Chase Inc. business cards, and luckily that's the next offer we're going to have next for our spending. But for our paycheck this month, we will be making an extra $250 if we meet those direct deposit requirements. All right, and I am so excited to tell you about the spending offer this month, because this is going to be doing pretty much all the heavy lifting getting to $2,000 for the month. Right now, the Chase Inc. Unlimited has an elevated sign-up bonus of 90,000 ultimate rewards points when you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. This is an extra 15,000 ultimate rewards points, equivalent to $150 cash back. The Chase Inc. Unlimited also has an introductory 0% APR for 12 months on purchases, and I'm going to be talking to you about how I'm going to be leveraging that in just a little bit to make another $450 and change. This card gets you a flat 1.5x on all of your spend. For me, I usually get about a $10,000 credit limit when I get one of these, so I'm going to be assuming that's what you get as well, and I usually max that out. So on $10,000 at 1.5x, that's another 15,000 ultimate rewards points. And with that 0% introductory promo period, what I like doing is putting some spend on that I know I'm going to pay back and I have the money to pay back, but I don't like paying it until that introductory period is over, because that money that I normally leave my high yield checking or savings account can be earning interest for that 12 months instead of paying the card off. So I have a whole video over here on how to do that strategy. It's not for everyone, but I personally like getting as much money as I can. I just quickly use my credit card interest spreadsheet. I'll link it in the description. With my account, it will make me an extra $458 and 33 cents if I put my spending there, approximating how much we'd make. But yeah, if you want to learn all about that, click on that video. So between the sign-up bonus of $900, the spending on $10,000 at 1.5x being $150 equivalent, and the interest I'll be earning in my high yield savings account on the money that I will not be paying the card off until the 0% period is over of $458.33, the total for our spending this month comes to $1,508.33 on one card for our spending. As I mentioned in our Paycheck section, Farmers Credit Union has up to $1,000 worth of credit card funding. So to hit your spend, I'm planning on doing this, is I will set the cash advance limit to my Chase Inc. Unlimited to $100 or less, and then I'll fund my checking account with that amount, and then I'll just be able to pull that out shortly after it funds for that initial deposit up to $1,000. So that'll help me meet that minimum spend requirement as well. So for optimal strategy this month, if you wanted to make both things work, I would apply for the Chase Inc. Unlimited first, wait until you get the card, and then apply for the credit union if you wanted to incorporate this strategy. With our Paycheck and spending out of the way, we're going to wrap this all up with our savings to make an extra $300 through Lili Bank. This is another business account. It's a business checking account, but we're putting it under savings because there's no direct deposit requirement, rather just a how much money you can leave in that account requirement. So to get that $300 from Lili Bank, you need to fund your new account with $5,000 within the first 30 days and leave that money in the account for 60 days afterwards. You also need to complete 5 debit card transactions to get this bonus, which is pretty easy. Whenever I get my debit card in the mail for these types of offers, I'll just reload my Amazon account for $1 to $5 for each transaction to quickly hit that debit card limit. Or if you have some organic spend, you can do that as well. It will hit 10 days the month after you meet the requirements. This is a nationwide offer. You can't have had an account with them in the last 12 months, business or personal, it seems like from the data points. This is also a fee-free account with no closure rules, so as soon as you get the bonus, feel free to close the account and get back in line in the future once you withdraw your funds. All right, to recap, our $2,000 and change for the month of September 2024. With our Paycheck, we'll be making an extra $250. With our spending with the Chase Inc. Unlimited and the 0% APR strategy, we'll be making an extra $1,508.33. And with our savings this month, we'll be making an extra $300, bringing our total for the month of September to $2,058.33. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if there are any other offers you're working on, or if you're going to be working on any of the ones here in the video. And as always, if you want to be reminded of how beautiful you are on each and every upload and learn how to make a new fat stack of cash, hit that subscribe button. This is September, but in every other month so far this year, I've found the best bank and credit card offers. So click on this playlist over here to see if there are any other ones that might fit your situation better, if they're still up and available. And click on this video over here if you're feeling dangerous.